Hi, I'm Wilson R. Ilaw. This is my video tutorial in discrete math. It's all about the truth table. Truth table is a mathematical table used in logic, specifically in connection with Boolean algebra, Boolean function, and propositional calculus to compute the functional values of logic's expression on either of their functional arguments, that is, on each combination of values taken by their logic variables. The key on truth table: P equals true, false, then not, and, or, implies, then biconditional. Example, not A and B or not C, biconditional not A implies not C. Our formula is 2 raised to n, then n is equals on how many variable used in the in our problem. Then 2 raised to 3 because it's A, B, C, then they are 3. Then equals to 8 divided 2 equals 4, so we got the result of A 4 true, then 4 false. Then 4 divided 2 is 2, then we got the result 2 true, then 2 false, 2 true, then 2 false. Then 2 divided 2 equals 1, then we got the result of C 2 true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Then not C, or the opposite of not A, then the opposite of A. Then the result is false, 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 true, 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 true. Then not C, or the opposite of C, then the result is false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Then next is not A and B. Then in end, when there is one false, then the result will be false. Then the result is false, 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 true, true, false, false. In implies, you get where the arrowhead is, and when they are the same, then the result will be true. Then the result is true, 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 false, true, false, true. And in biconditional, when the given is the same, the result is true. When they are different, the result is false. And the result is false, 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 true, true, false. Then that's all is my video tutorial. Thank you.